Hello everyone, welcome back to Yarns and Fins. I am Kay, and for today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to crochet the Laura top. A written pattern is also available to purchase. I will put all the needed links in the description box below. For this tutorial, I'll be working with the size extra small, but you can customize it to your size as we get into the video. So without further ado, let's start. To begin, make a slip knot and chain a chain that stretches from your bust point to bust point plus 1 inch. I made a total of 42 chains. This measures 8 inch. Now next we will work a half double crochet on the third chain from hook. To work a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, then yarn over, pull through all loops. Now work half double crochet in each chain till last. For row 2, chain 2, flip your work, and in this row, we will only work with the back loop. Then on our first and last stitch, we will make an increase. And to make an increase is working 2 half double crochet on the same stitch. So here's the first increase. Then half double crochet in each stitches across and another increase on the last stitch. So here at the end of row 2, another increase on the last stitch. For row 3, chain 2, flip your work, and we will just repeat the same pattern on row 2, which is an increase on the first and last stitch, but this time work on the front loop only. At the end of row 3, another increase on the last stitch, and then on row 4 onwards, we will just keep alternating pattern on row 2 and row 3. Continue the rows until it covers from chest down to your waist. I did a 25 rows, and yours should be a total of an odd number. And then for row 26, chain 1, flip your work, and we will do single crochet in each stitches across. This time we'll work on both loops, then work a total of 4 rows of single crochet. After 4 rows of single crochet, chain 2, flip your work, and we will make an alternate of back loop, half double crochet, and back loop increase across. Next row, chain 2, flip your work, and then we will do a front loop, half double crochet in each stitches across, no increase. Next row, chain 2, flip your work, and we will do a back loop, half double crochet in each stitches across, no increase. Then after that, Repeat the last 2 row pattern for 2 more rows each, a total of 6 rows without increase. So we now have 7 rows of half double crochet after the single crochet rows. For row 8, chain 2, flip your work, and we will do an alternate of front loop increase and 5 front loop half double crochet. For row 9, we will do the same pattern from the previous row, but this time, back loop only. Then, for row 10 and 11, repeat the same pattern on row 8 and 9. Then, for row 12, 13, 14, and 15, we will just repeat the same pattern on row 2 and row 3, which is a front loop half double crochet and back loop half double crochet without increase. After row 15, chain 1 to secure and cut your yarn. Now, on the side of the single crochet rows, attach your yarn. Begin with chain 1 and then work 4 single crochets in each side of the rows. That will be our first row. For our second row, chain 1, flip your work, and then make single crochet in each of the 4 stitches. Then repeat that pattern for a total of 100 rows. After 100 rows, cut your yarn and repeat the same pattern on the other side. After your second strap, don't cut your yarn yet, and facing the right side of the top, working counterclockwise, we will do single crochet in each side of the rows until we reach this corner, and we will do another strap pattern. Also, in every corner, we will do 2 single crochets to make a turn, and then continue with 1 single crochet in each side of the rows. Here on the half double crochet rows, this will be a bit confusing, so remember this line. In this line, we will work single crochet before and after. Then, on the next line, we will do single crochet on the line. Again, single crochet before and after the line, then on the line. Again, single crochet before and after the line, then on the line. Once you get on this corner, we will do another strap pattern. We will just chain 130 and then we will slip stitch each chain all the way back. After that, continue with single crochet in each stitches across until you reach the next corner and do the same pattern for the strap. After your second strap, continue with the edging around the whole piece. Then, weave your end to finish the top. And that's it for our tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to get notified on my new uploads. Thank you for watching.